makes sense to you, exactly. But it's always, like you said, beginning of this workout, there's always haters. There's always like, they're so weak that they have to make up an excuse to feel better for themselves. Yeah. I think that's what it is. And like, they see somebody else doing it, they be like, they gotta be fake. I can't do that. I mean, they on something. It has to be something.
Niggas are natural.
So it'll psych them out and they won't go work out.
Yeah, niggas are natural, bro.
Yeah. There's a lot of dudes natural. They don't think that, honestly, we've already got said that we were on some stuff.
Yeah, bro, I've been accused. Like, niggas will be like, so what is it, juice? And I'm like, bro, it ain't none of that.
Bro, what do you
need to be training.
Just training.
And I'll say this. Building muscle is not worth the risk to be taking anything. It's not worth the risk. A lot of guys are dying from that shit, bro. I'm not ready to be, because look at Arnold. A lot of niggas don't know he was having a ton of surgeries after he got off them steroids. Look at Kali Mouse, almost fucking died fucking with them damn steroids. Like, people aren't seeing this shit.
I think he started doing a watermelon diet. I'm proud of him. Shout out to Kali, because he actually changed his life. I'm proud. I like dudes that at least he admitted and then he started to change his life. He gets applause for me, he gets a salute for me, for at least trying.
Even like doing women, I've met women, they sound like men with that, like, hey honey, how you doing? Because they took steroids. I'm like, you wanted it that bad that you had to affect your health. Your voice changed.
Like a man.
You look like a man now. I've seen women with arms big as fuck. Bigger than mine. Look, they took some shit. It's crazy.
I don't understand. I don't think I could ever get to a point where I would have my lady, you want to jump on that trend? Trim balloon. It'll be like, oh snap. That girl big, man. I should do that. You know, a little bit of juice. A little bit of juice, you know. I like them strong.
And shout out to the females. There's a lot more women doing it now.
But I think that, I'm not trying to be mean, but I'm like, I think we should acknowledge it and get the people to help. I don't think I should like push on your delusion. I believe that there's something wrong with you and I don't want you to die. I don't want nothing to happen to you. I want you to get some help. I need to go talk to somebody. I need you to realize this is not you. It's in your mind. I'm trying to help you. Like, I'm trying to help. It's a help thing. It's not a negative thing, but it's just you're not that. So why there's like another thing that we just accept. We don't want to do better as people, man. It seems like we're just going backwards.
I think for me, that's just causing a lot of mass confusion.
And like I said, people use these streams and this internet for different reasons. I'm using it for two things: for the memories and really to show men at this age and this time they were
like
real
when
men.
you was posting those shit, I was like, yo, that was 2 years ago.
That's what I'm saying. It's memories,
that's
man.
when I came back from Florida and I was like, yo, what up? That shit was lit, bro.
Exactly. We got tapes from like 3-4 years ago.
We've been linking up every year too.
Every year. So that's why we're gonna use it. I know how I use it. Cause I understand. I knew this back then. I was like, yo, we got to show progression. We got to show certain type of men. And just to show that, yo, there's some real, masculinity out here.